Morning, everyone. It's Thursday morning at 8:38, and because it's Thursday, it's claims day. Initial claims 268,000, up 1,000. Um, they also revised last week's claims to 269, so it looks like -1. Either way, it's an okay number. Continuing claims 2,080,000, down from 2.2 million. And the important number today, as it turns out, especially if you're leaning to the bullish side, is the Philly Fed, up 39% is the number. And that is versus 24 last month. Okay, we had a bunch of earnings. Cisco was a miss with bad guidance. The stock closed 56.76 yesterday, trading 53.34, down 342 or 6%. As I'm sure you know now, NVDA was a beat. It was strong yesterday, and had been pretty strong recent days, but it's up another 23.39 at 316. That's 8%. MACY'S and KOHLS both beat. MACY'S 34 up 316 or 12%. KOHLS 61.20 up 4.78%. That's 8%. And Alibaba was a complete miss. Now, I've stopped following it. I don't include it in the letter anymore because I don't want to take the added political risk in any of the Chinese stocks. Baba trading 151 and a half. That's down a little over 10 or about 6%. And the year to date high was 275. So it's down roughly 45% off that high. AstraZeneca is about unchanged. They say the efficacy for their new COVID drug is 83%. Uh, and let's see. Sonos, SONO, not to be confused with SEV, which is also Sono, but it's Sono NV. Sonos swung to a loss. It was down $1.09 yesterday, and this morning it's been trading between unchanged and up 80 cents. So nothing overwhelming there. The other one, the symbol for which is SEV, that one came from about $12 to 30 yesterday and is trading 45 right now, and that's up another chunk. Um, we have some of the EV stocks still lower. We also have RIVN lower. I think that, as I mentioned yesterday, I'm a little concerned about the degree of euphoria in the market for these new names. By the way, I mentioned IONQ yesterday and the day before. That's a quantum computing company that in the last 2.5 days has gone from 19 and change to almost 33, currently 32.48, and that's up another $1.48. This stock was $7 in October. There is another one that I just happened to see, QUBT, the name of which is quantum computing. It has come off the mat a little in the last couple of days, moving from 6 to just 770, 769. But that's another one that you might want to start watching because quantum computing has the same effect on some of these stocks as EV did or .com did in 1999. So there you have that. The oil again overnight fell to a new recent low, 76.44, has rallied back to up on the day. We've seen this kind of action. If it stays below this 50-day MA, then I think 76.75 is still in the cards. The gold is down a little, now down 780, which from my perspective is more than a little, considering that it broke out, came back in, turned and rallied yesterday. Today, pretty much a non-event, with a range of 1856 to 1873. Again, I'm going to mention that this 1850 area, even down as low as 1845, is an area of pretty good support. But the longer it stays here, you can see the 5 days rolling over. So if this is going to confirm to the upside, it's going to have to do it pretty soon. Coffee, I'm just going to mention because it was up another $10 yesterday, up 80 cents this morning. And we also had lumber limit up yesterday at 712. I've been using the weekly chart on that in the letter for the past couple of months, and it looks like it's breaking out again. We had, let me go to the weekly. We had all of this support in here in the 600 area. We came back down. We've tested it, rallied, tested it, and now we just need to close above, what's this number? 789. So a close above 800 probably takes us back to 900 or so. All right, everyone, be careful out there. The Dow futures are showing up about 48. The NASDAQ up about 90, and the S&P up about 13. Those are coming off a little after the initial rally on those numbers, including the Philly Fed. Have a good morning, folks, and don't forget there is no daily note tonight.